A very good morning, dear students. So this is our social studies chapter 5, Indian rivers and water resources. So overall this chapter is very complicated. The student think about it, so don't worry about it. If you want to be just see the important question of this chapter, so I am here to show you. So let's see, we are going to see the all important question of this chapter. Okay, so don't worry about it, because lots of students get confused in this chapter. What's they are teaching about river, where its river come from, where it's going. Okay, so these are the mapping chapters. Okay, this is the important. So let's see the important question of this one. So actually this is a you can say it's note of this chapter. I will upload the notes also very soon. I will upload, but we are here to see the important question, then let's cover that. So here it is a practice question, and before we are going to see the our MCQ, which carry 20 marks in our board examination. So this is the MCQ it is given. This is not a tributary of the Gangas, Gandak, Ghagar, Yamuna, Kaveri. So actually Kaveri does not meet of the Gangas. Okay, then this is the west flowing river. In the west it is flowing Krishna, Narmada, Damodar Nadi, I think. Okay, Godavari it's flown our south direction from the Odisha. It's come, I think, from Odisha side it's come. Okay, the flowing is a state which does not have Tangvada rivers basic. Okay, you can see that. The minerals found in Kodomoki mines. One of the falling trees. Okay, so the water divided between the major peninsular river are, okay, Eastern Ghats, Western Ghats, Aravallis is with us. I think Eastern Ghats. I am also from East India, and my state is totally covered with full of the water all time. Okay, so the river that rises the Terembak neck. So leave it. So these are the questions here, and we are going to see the questions here, and I will tell the most important question also. So here we'll see basis of how many physiography unit India dredging systems evaluated. Okay, I don't think it will ask you why is the strong capacity of the dams reducing. Okay, actually it can have chances it will come. Difference Himalayan Peninsula, this is a very important. It will ask you what is the difference between the Himalayas and Peninsulas river. you know Gangas come from these Himalayas. Okay, and whatever the parts of there, it's come from Peninsular river. Give suggestion of increased groundwater. So this is also important. It can ask you like a suggestion, or it can ask you for the giving the ideas what you think about that particular topic. Okay, so read the given text and comment it. So you have to read this text and you have to just give the answer of the sixth and seventh question. This is a very simple, and definitely it will come to your examination. And the seventh one is same exactly. You have to read this paragraph and you have to give the answer of first one, and that's the second one. Okay, so I think next chapter is, okay, so this is a graph. So here you will see this is a Ganga's plain. So actually it is a Uttarakhand. This is a Uttarakhand. I will write UK, not Uttarakhand. Okay, like Uttarakhand. Actually, what is the short form of Uttarakhand? They write something UT and something. Okay, I don't know about. And this is the UP, and this is this place is totally, it's a Bihar. Okay, this is the Bihar, and then after its river moved to the here, from the it's moved to the Bengal, West Bengal, and here it is moved to the our like Bangladesh. Okay, actually you see this area, this total area, uh, this area this area is East India. From here to, actually this area is totally covered to north. This is a North India. Okay, so this is the north part of India, this is north, and you see that area with a red eyes market, this area till Odisha. This area is totally area of East India. This is the East India. Okay, and this is the our west. Okay, this is of West India. Okay, and now this is our south area. From here, this is also come in the uh, North India only. This area is from the our south. Okay, you have to remember these points, and this is the northeast. Okay, these are the northeast. Actually I totally make it the something drawing on that map, but you have to be just see that. Okay, So this river flow through the Uttarakhand, UP and Bihar, and then it's go through the our west of Bengal, then it's may go through the our Bay of Bengal. Okay, this is Bay of Bengal. It is this area is, and this is Arabic Sea, and here we are the king of Indian Oceans. Okay, right. So this is a, here it is given Peninsula's river. So this is a very important also. You know, this is a, if I zoom this one, then it will clear to you. Damodar, I think it is, whatever it is. Just see that this is the rivers it is given, and I hope it is clear to you. This is a peninsula river. Actually, peninsula river comes this area only till like Jharkhand area, but in this area, you know, this totally mostly this area, like the area of UP and Bihar. This is a totally fertile land it has. Okay, actually you will understand. So this is a, you know, this is a night time. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you, and this map is also clear to you. Actually, I'm recording this video in the night time. It's going to be 1 o'clock and 1 a.m. it is. In the midnight it is a midnight, and the time is, you know, its time is totally way 12 something. It is about like 12:38. It is at 12:38 a.m. Okay, I will write here 12:38. This is a.m. That time I'm recording the video, so you will understand how much it is potential I am doing for you. Okay, right. So I hope this is clear, and if you have any kinds of doubt regarding to the social studies, and if you need the chapter explanation also, I definitely explain it, but I take us a lot of time to, actually I am taking the time to preparation for that, and I will explain differently. So I hope it is clear. If you have any kinds of doubt, you just leave a comment. I definitely reply to you. And if you like this video, share with your friends, and we will meet on next video. Jai Hind.